welcome back to Mom's Kitchen. Today we'll be making baked samosas with a little twist. So let's get started. This is 1 cup of maida or refined flour. This is vegetable oil. This is peas, fresh peas, ajwain, salt to taste, boiled potatoes, freshly coriander chopped, and this is for the seasoning of the samosas. We have here garam masala, sabat jeera, sabat coriander, red chili powder, 1 green chili chopped, half ginger chopped, saunf, green saunf, and salt. This is the batter for the samosa pastry. How we make the samosa pastry. Now to this maida, I will add first salt, say 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I will take some ajwain and just rub it in my palms, and then I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. This is 1 and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll mix the oil into the maida with my hands to form a crumbly texture. Should hold like that. We have the crumbly texture. Now I will add in chilled water, not too much, as required, very little. Yeah, so it's done. Now just to grease it a little bit, just put in very little oil. Just give it a good massage so that it doesn't stick, that's all. That's it. Now let it rest for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Now I'll prepare the potato mixture. It is hot, so I'll add in all the spices. Once the spices are put, I'll add in the peas also at the same time. So I've cooked this mixture for 10 minutes. Now I'll add the potatoes. Now I'll switch off the gas. transfer the mixture to cool in the plate. So before keeping this to cool, I'll just garnish it with some coriander and some lime juice. Preheated the oven on 15 minutes on bake mode at 180 degrees. So now I'll be rolling out this samosa pastry. I won't be using any refined flour or maida for dusting, as it's going to go in the oven. If required, you can use oil. The pastry is ready. It should be so thick, not very thin, not very fat. It should have some body to it. So now I'm going to put the stuffing and roll it. I'm going to cut it. Take it so much, not so much, so much. And then very gently press it into a round disc like this. The oven is preheated. Very carefully I'm going to place them. Now this will get baked for around 21 minutes on 180 degrees and baking mode. 25 minutes are over. I'll be removing the samosas from the oven. So as you can see, they are fully baked now. Definitely your quench for samosas will be over. Your thirst, you won't feel like having the fried ones. You'll feel satisfied after having these also. Thank you.